Hi, I'm Markus from Markus Language Academy. Learning a new language is a challenge for everybody. And did you know that over 90% have difficulty with grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary, and especially with speaking and understanding the new language? And do you feel the same way? Then I have good news, because you have come to the right place to change that right now. I had the same problems learning languages at school. But one day I went abroad and suddenly I started learning languages effortless, and the whole process was fun and exciting. And I thought that no one else today should feel like little Markus learning a language. And this experience motivated me so much that I became a language teacher myself. And I wanted to find a new way to learn and teach languages. So I started my research, and this is the final result. The smart way to learn languages. In our optimized way, you learn German by following a story. And everybody loves a good story, right? In over 300 animated videos, you'll focus on useful phrases so you can speak German from day one. Our question and answer technique stimulates your brain to really think in German. And instead of memorizing grammar rules, you learn German grammar with the help of colors and pictures. You can study our fun step-by-step lessons anytime and everywhere. In this way, it easily becomes part of your daily routine. With our smart method, you almost effortlessly reach an A2 speaking level that will set you up for your next trip, next job, or even for your new life in a German-speaking country. And it also helps you to prepare for any kind of certificate. So, if you don't have any language skills yet, or you're still a beginner, this is the right course for you. We already helped thousands of students in over 90 countries. And 92% have significantly improved their language skills in just 2 months. And each of them and their success brings a big smile on my face. Maria from the US, for example, says, "I never thought that I'd be able to learn a foreign language, but then he came and completely made the process so much fun and addictive." Thank you very much, Maria. And she is not the only one. And a big thank you to every student and their useful feedback to keep improving our teaching approach. Our whole package includes the full course material for your self-studies. And on top of that, we include a 30-minute Zoom lesson with me. I'm always happy to meet each student personally and give them some good advice for their individual progress. You'll get a PDF file with all the grammar and vocabulary. You get free support via chat. And our offer guarantees a lifetime access. And you can access your course from any device. And at the end of the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion. And in case our course doesn't improve your German, you have 30 days to ask for a full refund without giving any explanation. And to make it even better, you can start for free with our 3-day trial. And then you simply decide to continue or not. Remember, with every new language you speak, you have a new life. You already did the first step to start a new life. Now it's time to take the next step. And it's never been easier than right now. This is Markus from Markus Language Academy, and I hope to welcome you soon as a new member of our family. Bye bye.